Hello students, wish you all happy new years and heartily welcome to Little Scholars Public School online classes. Students, today we will learn proportions. Definition. What is the proportion? A statement that two ratios equal is called proportion. A is to B one ratio and C is to D second ratio, that two ratios are equal is called a proportion. For example, 3 is to 4 equal to 12 is to 16. 3 by 4 equal to 12 by 16. Simplest form of 12 by 16 is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 equal to 3 by 4. So it is a proportion. Two ratios are equal is called a proportion. Now A is to B as C is to D. A is a first number, first term. Second, B, second number. C is a third number and D is a fourth number. Now first and fourth term says extreme terms and second and third term said middle terms or mean terms. So what is the formula of proportion? Product of extremes equal to product of means. For example, A into D equal to B into C. This is the formula of proportion. Friends, exercise 9C we solve. Determine if the following are in proportion. 8, 10, 16, 20. A, B, C and D. Okay. 8 by 10. 8 by 10. First, we will do a simplest form. So, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 4 by 5. Now, 16 by 20. So 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 equal to 4 by 5. So 8 is to 10 equal to 16 is to 20 are the proportion. 8 is to 10 equal to 16 is to 20 are proportion. Okay students, now next example, 3, 4, 6, 7, 3 by 4, this is already simplest form, and 6 by 7 also a simplest form. Both are different, so it is not a proportion. So 3 is to 4 is not proportion, 6 is to 7. Okay students, now third one, 18 by 36. Now what is the simplest from 18 by 36? 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. 1 by 2. 72 by 144. 72 ones are 72. 72s are 144. So 1 by 2. So therefore 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 means what? It is a proportion. So 18 is to 36 equal to 72 is to 144 are proportion. Okay? Understood students? Question number 2. Determine the following ratio form of proportion. Now 80 centimeter, 4 meter. We want ratio. Units are same. So here 80 centimeter, here 4 meter. 4 meter how many centimeter? 4 meter equal to 400 centimeter. So 80 centimeter divided by 400 centimeter. 0 0 cut. 8 ones are 8. 8 5s are 40 equal to 1 by 5. Now next is what? 7 divided by 35. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. So 1 by 5 equal to 1 by 5. So therefore 80 centimeter is to 400 centimeter equal to rupees 7 is to rupees 35 are proportion. Are proportion. Question number 2. Determine the following ratio form a proportion. Now 80 centimeter 4 meter. We want ratio, units are same. So here 80 centimeter, here 4 meter. 4 meter how many centimeter? 4 meter equal to 400 centimeter. So 80 centimeter divided by 400 centimeter. 0 0 cut. 8 ones are 8. 8 5s are 40 equal to 1 by 5. Now next is what? 7 divided by 35. 7 ones are 7. 7 5s are 35. So 1 by 5 equal to 1 by 5. So therefore 80 centimeter is to 400 centimeter equal to rupees 7 is to rupees 35 are proportion. Are proportion. Next question, 24 millimeter to 30 centimeter and 20 gram to 270 gram. Okay. Now 1 centimeter equal to how many millimeter? 10 millimeter. So 30 centimeter is equal to 300 millimeter because we want same unit in ratio. So 24 millimeter divided by 300 millimeter. Now here 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28 and 4 5s are 20. So 6 by 75. Again 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. So 2 by 25. Now here 20 gram divided by 270 gram. So it is cut here 2 by 27. So 2 by 25 is not equal to 2 by 27. So therefore 24 is to 300 millimeter. 24 millimeter to 300 millimeter not equal to 20 gram is to 270 gram are not proportion. Next question, 800 milliliter is to 300 milliliter and rupees 560 is to rupees 210. 800 divided by 300. 0 0 cut 8 by 3. Now rupees 560 divided by 210. 0 0 cut 7 8s are 56 and 7 3s are 21. So equal to 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 equal to 8 by 3. So therefore 800 milliliter is to 300 milliliter equal to rupees 560 is to rupees 210. So these are proportion. These are proportion. Okay students. Now next example, 450 meter 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer how many meter? 3000 meter. So 450 meter divided by 3000 meter. So 0 0 cut. 5 9s are 45. 5 6 are 30. 0 9 by 60. Again 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 20. 3 by 20. Now 75 centimeter equal to 7 meter. 7 meter means how many centimeter? 700 centimeter. Then 25 3s are 75. 25 2s are 50 and 25 8s are 200. So 3 by 28. So Therefore, 3 by 20 is not equal to 3 by 28. So, 450 meter is to 3 kilometer not equal to 75 centimeter is to 7 meter. Are not proportion. Are not proportion. Do you understand, students? Now question number 3. Write true or false against the following statement. Now 21 is to 35 equal to 24 is to 40. 21 divided by 35. So what is the simplest form? 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35, 3 by 5. 24 divided by 40. So 8 3s are 24, 8 5s are 40, 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 equal to 3 by 5. So therefore 21 is to 35 equal to 24 is to 40. The statement is true. Now next example. 66 by 99. 66 is to 99 equal to 38 is to 57. First 66 by 99. 11 6 are 66. 11 9s are 99. So 6 by 9. Again the 6 and 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9 equal to 2 by 3. Now 38 by 57. Students, you learn the table, then it is very easy to solve the examples. So 19 2s are 38, 19 3s are 57. So 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 3. So therefore 66 is to 99 equal to 38 is to 57. These statements are true. Now next example. 0.5 is to 0.45 equal to 110 is to 99. First one, 0.5 divided by 0.45. When we divide the decimal number, see here, we first converted into fractions. So first one 5 by 10. Now this is the 45 by 100. Now 45 by 100 we will take a reciprocal. So 100 by 45. So 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45 and 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. So what is our answer? 10 by 9. Now 110 by 99. So 11 tens are 110, 11 nines are 99, 10 by 9. So 10 by 9 equal to 10 by 9. So therefore 0.5 is to 0.45 equal to 110 is to 99. So this statement is true. Next example is 15 is to 20 equal to 55 is to 44. Now 15 by 20. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 3 by 4. 55 by 44. 11 5s are 55, 11 4s are 48, 5 by 4. Now 3 by 4 is not equal to 5 by 4 because here 3 and here numerator is 5. So 15 is to 20 not equal to 55 is to 44. These statements are false. Now next, 90% is to 270% equal to rupees 17 is to rupees 51. 90 divided by 270, 0 0 cut, 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, so 1 by 3. Now rupees 17 by 51. 17 ones are 17. 17 threes are 51. So 1 by 3. So therefore 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3. So 90 persons is to 270 persons equal to rupees 17 is to rupees 51. So this statement true. So students, I hope you understand this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.